Welcome to Finches and Fishes. The last two videos, many people have commented that the two videos was not clear because we are doing the videos in the mobile only. So today we have got some camera we have got. So we will do that and let's see what will come. And I would like to tell you, one of them had called and told me that please talk in English so that Malayalam they could not able to understand. So I will be starting in English only. And I would like to thank everyone who have subscribed and liked and seen this videos. I like more support from your side also. So please do subscribe and help me also in showing this birds to everyone as much as you can by subscribing it and sharing it also. In this video I will be showing you about the soft food, that is the egg food, and the two birds. One is black-faced male and black chick split to black-face. So I will be showing the birds and you can know more details about the birds. In today's video I will be telling about the black-faced male now. The black-faced male was existing in 1970s in Europe. After that, Australia had this blackface in 1960s, we can tell. Yeah, 1960s. Now talking about the blackface male, see, as you can see, the blackface male has this black color marking near the tear marking. You can see over here, near the beak, and this one, there's one black marking over here. This is called a blackface actually, and you can see the black brushes near here. There will be no black. More black over here, just a mark will be there. And talking about the black faces, so you can see the tail marking. There will be more blackish in the tail and narrow white lines. As you can tell, the black face tail marking will be black and white. As I talked in the last video, I told you blackface and blackface male and blackface female. If you put the same combination, the results will be same and more splits. And what will happen is you will get the color of the markings of the black marks will be becoming less. Okay, and I will put this male inside this because it is still feeding the chicks actually. And I will show you the black chick female, more of black chick split to blackface female now. I'm talking about the black chick female. As you can see in black chick, I will talk more about black chick now. Black chick female was discovered in 1970s. That was also in Europe only. And in black chick and black chick male, both are identical. Identical means the cheek marking I'm talking about. As you can see, the cheek marking over here, this is a female actually. The cheek marking of the female will be black in color. Here, this part. The male also will be having the same cheek button, but the male will be more actually more vibrant color will be there. Okay. In male and female, I had told in the last video also, male and female, if you can identify in males, this big markings will be in red in color, and in female this will be almost like an orange color. Okay, and I told you this also that black chick is a recessive mutation, and in this black chick never breed Florida fancy or orange breasted or penguins, because if you breed with these mutations, all the patches, the Florida male which you know, Florida male will be having orange patches. When you breed with that, this black chick will disappear. And if you breed with orange breasted, the white markings will start coming. and penguin also, the same thing also, the penguin also. So I will leave this female search. This is also feeding the chicks actually. I will show you the chick. In the first intro I had showed you one small chick. See this chick, what? See how big it is now. You can pair this black chick with silver black chick, fawn black chick, chestnut flanks, white black chick, and black. Talking about this pairing of black chick split to black face, the chick what will be coming is one will be black face split to black chick, and that will be male or female, and normal grey split to black face, male or female. Okay, so this is the video which I wanted to share you. I have shared you the videos. Maybe it will be helpful for all people who are starting this mutation finches also. And please help me also in subscribing, hitting the like button, and sharing this video also. And I will show you and the last video I had told you about the softwood. I will show you the softwood water I am giving now. I mean, I'm giving only the egg now. I will be showing the egg first. This is the boiled egg. Now I will be smashing it and giving to the birds now. Okay, I will just show you the one video of giving the birds the egg food. Now you can see I have smashed the eggs. Now I will be giving this to the birds. This egg food will be helpful for the chicks to grow and become a little bit size. Okay, so I will be closing this now. Hope you'll see you in the next video with other mutations. Thanks for watching this full video, and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button.